Today's video is brought to you by cats. We have cats. We love cats. We hate cats. We don't hate cats. We have cats.
Ding.
Lots of cats. Today's project involves making a litter box enclosure. Does that make sense? To shield the walls and the floors and whatnot from overspray of cat litter, and other accidents from aging cats. So this is a little weird, but it starts off with a sheet of PVC from Lowe's. It's called Polywall. It's a 4x8 sheet of essentially plastic. We're going to cut up everything you need when you have a pet. So here we're measuring out and cutting the big sheet down to the desired size. Then we're measuring out where the folds are going to be and the lips around the outer edge. This is going to add stability to the overall structure of the tray. Okay, so what we're going to do is fold this, and we're going to heat it up with a heat gun, and we'll fold it over. So I had to turn the fan off. We're going to heat this up. Got a piece of aluminum we're going to use as a break and help form that corner. So nothing very exciting here. The piece of aluminum is adding weight, but also giving us a crisp edge on the top while we fold it over the edge of the table. Heating it up a little bit with the heat gun. My wife has on gloves. And then we learned that we can use the 2x4 and get a much larger area. We added the weight because it was starting to slide around. Occasionally we'll use the clamp to hold parts down to the table while we heat it up. We have started working on the lip and the camera goes out of focus. So now we're going to try to get the basic shape folded up. And going to use clamps to hold it together and see how stable this thing is. The plastic is still a little gooey in the corners, maybe because it's so freaking hot. And we're using that to our advantage and kind of overfolding it to make a crisper corner. We don't need a crisper corner, but it still helps. Here we're fastening these corners together, drilling a hole and using aluminum rivets. Aluminum rivets are key because they do not oxidize as easily. Well, they don't rust if they become wet with moisture. The aluminum may oxidize, but they won't rust when they get wet with moisture. Keep that in mind. Okay, so here it is. Kind of weird, like I said. But this is a liner for a cat box to sit in because we're having some issues with the cats. So this will go against the wall. We've been protecting the wall, but this gives a solid surface with no seam, and it's immovable. We have a lip just to catch cat litter and debris. We've got the lip around the back for a little stability. It's a little wavy. You know what? That's fine. And it's soft and it's malleable, but it's standing up. It is huge. But when you put a cat box in it, we've got one that wants to circle like a shark. And this gives her the opportunity to do so while keeping everything contained. So this is a weird one, but if you're interested, they'll be for sale on my e-marketing platform for $4,559.76. My wife's shaking her head no. How much did this sheet of stuff cost? $14? $12? $25? $25. I have no concept of money. This is a $25 sheet of plastic. And what, about an hour for us to form up. Almost makes a nice photo background. No pictures here, please. Thanks. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.
Too many hobbies, not enough time.
It's a theme song, y'all.